So, children, let's start. The world had, of course, never been very kind to him, kind to the rat trap seller. So, it gave him unwanted, unhabituated, which he was not habituated. So, it gave him unwanted joy to think ill of it in this way. As the rat trap seller had not got anything good from this world, as the world had never been kind to him, he was not habituated to get the joy. So he used to think bad of the world in this way, that this world is a rat trap. It became a cherished, long desired, cherished pastime of his. What became a long desired pastime of his? Thinking this way, gathering different thoughts. During many dreary, dry, dreary ploddings, ploddings means slow, labored work. So, during his work, he used to think this way, to think of people he knew who had let themselves be caught in the dangerous snare. Snare means trap, net. So during his ploddings, his work, labored work, with great effort when he was walking, he used to think of people he knew who had let themselves be caught in the dangerous snare. He used to think about the people who had let themselves be caught in this dangerous net, trap, and of others and some of other people who were still circling around the bait, means those who were ready to be trapped. Means the rat trap seller was thinking about the people who had let themselves be caught in the trap of this world, and he was also thinking about some other people who were ready to be trapped in this world. They were encircling the bait. One dark evening, as he was trudging means to walk with, it is to walk exhausted, means as if someone is feeling exhausted, tired. So, one dark evening, as he was trudging along the road, he was feeling tired and walking along the road. He caught sight of a little grey cottage, saw a little grey cottage by the roadside, and he knocked on the door to ask shelter for the night. Nor was he refused, means the owner of the cottage did not refuse him, sheltered him. Instead of the sour faces means not welcoming, unwelcoming faces. Instead of the sour faces which ordinarily met him, means usually wherever he went, the people were driving him away. He was getting sour faces. But here, instead of the sour faces which ordinarily met him, the owner, who was an old man without wife or child, was happy to get someone to talk to in his loneliness. The owner of the cottage, who was alone, without wife, child, he needed someone to talk to him in his loneliness. That's why he welcomed the rat trap seller. Immediately he put the porridge. Porridge means one drink, means usually prepared with the grain powder and the hot water, boiled water, okay. So immediately he put the porridge pot on the fire and gave him the supper, something means some meal. Then he carved up such a big slice from his tobacco roll. Then the owner of the cottage took up a big slice of tobacco roll, that it was enough both for the stranger's pipe and his own. Finally, he got out an old pack of cards and played Majlis with his guest until the bedtime. Means until the bedtime, they started playing cards. The old man was just as generous, as sympathetic with his confidences as with his porridge and tobacco. He was sympathetic with the rat trap seller, with the porridge and tobacco. The guest was informed at once that in his days of prosperity, in his good days you can say, his host, means the rat trap seller's host. Host means one who treats the guest. So here, who is treating the guest? The owner of the cottage, the crofter. So his host had been a crofter. Crofter means one who leases the land. Crofter at Ramsjo Iron Works means you take it here. He was working in the Ramsjo Iron Works and had worked on the land. He had worked there. Now that he was no longer able to do day labor, it was his cow which supported him. As he was not able to do the labor, he reared the cows. Yes, that Bossy means the cow, was extraordinary. She could give milk for the creamery every day, and last month he had received, means the crofter had received all of 30 kroner in payment. Means selling the milk or milk products, he had got 30 kroners. The kroner means the money. The stranger must have seemed incredulous. Incredulous means could not believe the self. If one could not believe self, that is called incredulous. The stranger could not believe himself. For why? For the old man got up and went to the window, took down a leather pouch. The old man, means the owner of the cottage, went out, took down a leather pouch which hung on a nail in the very window frame, and picked out 3 wrinkled 10 kroner bills. He took out 3 10 kroner bills, notes you can say. These he held up before the eyes of his guest, nodding knowingly. Means he nodded, shook the notes knowingly before the eyes of the guest, means before the eyes of the rat trap seller.